everyone. So again, we're going to review our short vowel sounds and then blend some more words together. So first, we have an igloo. What sound do you hear at the beginning of igloo? Good, you hear a short I sound. So the short I sound is an I sound, like igloo. So I, igloo, I. Good. Our second one. This is an octopus. What vowel sound do you hear at the beginning of octopus? Good, you hear a short O sound. So short O sound is ah, just like octopus. So we have O, octopus, ah. Good. And our last one we just learned, an umbrella. What vowel sound do you hear at the beginning of umbrella? Good. You hear that short U sound, the sound. So we have U, umbrella, Good. Now let's blend some words together. Our first word is, all right. So first we have our Y, that makes the Y sound. Then we have our U, that because it's the only vowel in the word and it's followed by a consonant, makes the short sound. And our M makes the sound. So we have Y, M. All right, Y, Y, M. All right, Y, M. Yum, yum. Good job, guys. You just blended the word yum. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, we have a different vowel this time. Let's see. Our J makes the J sound. Our O, since it's the only vowel and followed by a consonant, makes the short ah sound. And our B makes the B sound. So we have J, ah, B. All right. J, ah, job. All right, what word do we make? Job, job, job. Good job, guys. We blended the word job. All right, I've got one more for you. Let's see. Ooh, there's our last vowel. Let's see. So our W makes the W sound. Our I, since it's the only vowel followed by a consonant, it makes the short I sound. And our G makes the G sound. So we have W, I, G. All right. W, I, wig. All right, let's see. Wig, wig, wig. Good job, guys. We just blended the word wig. I am so proud of y'all. Now, I want you to practice blending sounds together by picking 3 of these words and blending the sounds together to figure out what word they are. All right, have fun.